Good evening, Northeast Kansas. Thanks for joining us here on KSNT News. Getting right to the latest storm outlook for tomorrow. That slight risk is represented by yellow. However, a heightened risk is an orange. That's the enhanced chance of seeing some strong to severe thunderstorms for tomorrow. So heading more so into central Kansas. Definitely need to be weather aware for tomorrow. Tonight, though, all is quiet. Going to be another mild one. And tomorrow's just the first of a few rounds of shower and storm chances. And with those rain chances in the forecast, our temperatures will gradually start to slide as well. Today will be the warmest day of the next several. All is quiet outside of Junction City, but some high thick clouds starting to overtake all of the blue skies. But we're still seeing a fair share of blue outside of the capital city right now as we're sitting at 88 degrees. It feels like 91 out there, though, and still breezy southerly winds at 18 miles per hour. And that breeze is felt across the region, all dealing with southerly winds at about 15 to 20 miles per hour. And that's helped warm us up for today, and that's why we're hanging out in the 80s and the 90s. 90 on the dot for Manhattan as well as Council Grove, 86 for Emporia, and 84 at Burlington. However, most of us feeling like we're right around that 90-degree mark, and that's because those southerly winds have pumped in the humidity as well. Taking a look at the dew points or just how much moisture is being represented in the air, when you get mid to upper 60s like we're seeing right now, yeah, you definitely feel that stickiness in the air, but we'll see that start to subside a little bit tonight, as well as those winds. They'll drop down to 10 to 15 miles per hour, picking right back up for tomorrow, though, and that brings that humidity back, and it could fuel some stronger storms as well. Not talking about storms right now in Northeast Kansas. All is quiet, just seeing some cloud cover push in from the west, and that's really all we'll see for tonight. Now, as we break down the first half of tomorrow, though, all is quiet, just passing clouds and some sunshine. Now, this model is a little bit quicker in pushing in the shower and storm chances than others. This has it setting up at 3 o'clock. I think the storm initiation will be off to our west at around 3 or 4 o'clock. Not so much here. I think our best time frame will be in the evening. So once we get past 6, 7 o'clock, I think that's when we'll see our round of stormy weather come through. Now, notice how this race off to the east, it kind of becomes more broken, and the chance of severe weather will start to diminish as we get into the eastern half of the region and as we get into midnight or so on Wednesday, keeping the rain and storm chances, but the chance of severe weather starts to back off, and rain chances really start to dwindle as we get into the second half of Wednesday. So what threats are we looking at? Can't rule out the possibility of an isolated tornado or two. I think main threats will be possibly large hail, damaging wind, and then eastern half could see some heavy rainfall as those storms clustered together towards the tail end of Tuesday. Now, our Storm Track 7-day forecast shows this is the first round of showers and storms for the next few days. However, but we will see not complete washouts out of this, but our temperatures take a tumble. We'll be back in the 70s by next weekend.
All right.